Today I'm sharing this 4-in-1 TDS water meter. This little device is actually used to test water quality. It measures TDS, which stands for total dissolved solids, EC or conductivity, and it also shows the water temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. It's very simple to use. All you do is turn it on and place the probe into the water you want to test, and within seconds the screen will show the results. The screen changes color depending on the reading. If the value is below 40 ppm, the screen stays green, and if it goes above that, it turns red to alert you. So it uses a high precision sensor and titanium alloy probe, which helps give accurate and stable readings. Now this can be used for testing drinking water, checking if your RO or filtration system is working properly, testing aquarium or hydroponic water, pools, spas, or just everyday household water, which is what we're going to be testing today. So we're going to test two different types of water just to see what the results look like. So I'll have one glass with regular tap water and another glass with filtered water. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill our glasses and then we'll go on with our testing. I have both my waters ready. So again, we have tap and then filtered water. So again, you turn it on, remove the cap, and then just dip it into the water. So we'll go ahead and start with the tap water. And it actually doesn't take long to start reading. So you just wait a little bit, make sure the reading is stable, and then you pull it out. The tap water came out to 127 ppm, which is the total dissolved solids measurement. So according to this chart, the tap water falls under general drinking water. I'm going to quickly wipe this down and then we'll move on to our filtered water. So always make sure to place clear to reset the tester. Now let's go ahead and check the filtered water and see how that compares. For the filtered water, the result is 151 ppm, and then this also shows that for conductivity it's 302, and the temperature reading is 21.7 degrees Celsius, which is about 71 degrees Fahrenheit. What's interesting here is that both of these readings actually fall within the general drinking water range, which is typically between 100 and 200 ppm. So both the tap water and the filtered water tested here are still considered within a normal range. What I like about having a device like this is that it just gives you a quick way to check your water whenever you want. You can use it to test drinking water, check if your filtration system is working properly, test aquarium water, hydroponics, pools, and things like that. It's small, easy to use, and you get the results within seconds. So if you're someone who likes to keep an eye on water quality at home, this is actually a really handy little tool to have.